Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great today. I'm doing pretty good. I want to talk to you today about Beanie Babe because she's a babe and she's wearing a beanie. I mean, that's creative, right? So I got this concept from Pinterest, and I saw this girl who had on a beanie and she was making a duck face, and I was like, I wonder if I could do that. So that's where the concept for this came from. I hope you like it. So one thing that I always like to do is I like to share how long it's taken me to do something. And the reason why is because art takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. When I first started out on this journey, I was giving myself an hour a day. And I was taking, less than that at first. And of course, as I got better, I started getting more detailed. It got longer and longer. I started in January 2020 doing Making Art Every Day challenge. And so every day I was drawing, something different from the challenge, but it went from maybe, 30 minutes, 45 minutes to by March or April, I was up to an hour and a half. I kept it at like an hour and a half because I was limiting myself. I didn't want to, go over my time frame that I had given myself because I was doing this before bedtime. And I realized that the longer I was doing this, the longer it was taking me before I can go to bed. And, girl needs your rest, right? So I decided, well, I'm just going to start a little earlier. In addition to taking longer, starting earlier, I decided that I was going to do more tutorials, follow more tutorials, learn all the things, and really wrap my head around the fact that art takes time, okay? Because at Christmas time, when I started making all my cute little Christmas characters and things like that, I realized then that the things that I did on stream, on Twitch, were not completed. I'm doing it thinking, okay, did it, I'm done, I can turn this into a product. No. Because again, I was not giving all of my focus to it. So the number one thing that I learned is that I have to give all of my focus, all of my attention to it in order for it to not take 3 hours. Now, 3 hours is not a big deal for me anymore because like things like this, they can take 8 hours. I think I did something recently that took 13 hours. Things are taking days now instead of minutes. I think that's a testament to me as an artist. I'm a very detailed person, and so I like to get into those nitty gritties, and I have to remind myself to zoom out because when I get in real close, I'm looking at all the little things that anybody looking from afar is not going to see. So with that said, my lesson to you today is take your time, okay? Take your time, do what needs to be done, but take your time and do it right. Do it until you're satisfied, okay? Because once you're satisfied with it, you're going to be so proud to share it. You're going to be proud to put it out there. You're going to be proud to give it away. Whatever it is that you plan on doing with whatever it is that you're doing, take your time. Get it right. Be proud of yourself for doing what you did. Okay? I am certainly very proud of what I just did here that you just saw, and I hope that it inspires you to just go out and buy it. Okay, this is a regular sticker. It is a die cut on vinyl. It's waterproof. You can put it in your water bottles or whatever it is that you like without it running or anything like that. And it is available right now. The link is in the description. So thank you so much for watching this process video, for hearing me out. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend. Okay, that's important too. Tell your friends what you've seen here, especially if you learned something. Okay, until next time, take care, loved one.